What's going on, YouTube? I'm Richard and this is my new channel. So today we're going to explore some of the side hustle options that you can start with no money while working from the comfort of your own home. So let's begin. Number 5, freelancing. If you're a person who has been dabbling into finding an online side hustle, it's highly likely that you consider freelancing at some point. In theory, freelancing seems like an easy task. However, it takes a lot of time, effort, and dedication to become a successful freelancer. On the bright side, what's so great about freelancing is the fact that you can turn it into a full-time job once you reach a certain level of success. You can even quit your daily job and completely depend on freelancing as a source of income, whether you want to become a full-time freelancer or do it as a supplement to your income. It's a great way to generate some extra cash. Websites such as Fiverr have made it easy for people to get into freelancing. Whether it's graphic design, proofreading, writing, or even gaming, there are hundreds of ways you can make money off of freelancing websites. It might not be easy at first as you're basically building your business from nothing. You need to build a reputation for yourself and get your name out there using social media. Once you have a strong portfolio and enough experience, you'll be able to transition into freelancing full time. Number 4, teaching a language online. In the past couple of years, teaching a language online has become a side hustle that many people have resorted to. You don't need to know 5 different languages and be certified in any of them to become an online tutor. If you're a native English speaker, websites such as VIPKid, QKids, and plenty others offer the opportunity of teaching English to Chinese students as well as other students from all around the world. Most online tutoring websites offer competitive hourly pay that ranges anywhere from $12 up to $25 per hour. You're your own boss when you work as an English tutor, and you can work from anywhere. You get to choose your own hours, and you don't even need a degree to become a teacher. Now, on the downside, since you're going to be working with students from different time zones, be mindful of the fact that you might end up waking up in the middle of the night to teach your class. Number 3, creating a blog. Blogging is one of the best, if not the best ways to generate extra income when you're on a tight budget or have no budget at all. What's so great about blogging is that not only you can make money with ads placed on your blog, but you also can use it for affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Google AdSense is the easiest way to monetize your blog, and you can make anywhere between a penny up to 5 cents per page view, depending on your niche. Blogging is not an easy method to make money online, as you'll need to pick a niche that isn't oversaturated and build up a following, which might take some time. So first, you need to do some research before starting your own online blog. You need to find the fine line between finding a niche you're passionate about and at the same time finding one that is not overly popular and overly saturated. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to create your blog. WordPress.com and Blogger.com are 2 great platforms that allow you to create and customize a blog without spending a penny. Now, of course, there's a premium version of both platforms with some great features that don't exist in the free version. However, when you're at the start of your blogging journey, you should opt in for the free version. Once your blog is all set up, start pumping out high quality content that your readers might find interesting. Use social media to direct traffic to your blog and promote it like there's no tomorrow. And little by little, your blog will start to become profitable. Number 2, affiliate marketing. If you have been on the internet long enough, you probably read stories about how people were able to make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. But what exactly is affiliate marketing, and why do so many people swear by it? Well, affiliate marketing is a fast-growing industry that's worth millions of dollars. The idea of affiliate marketing is pretty simple. You use your online following to promote a certain product. When a person purchases that product using your affiliate link, you get a commission depending on the price of the product. There is no limit on how much you can make per month from affiliate marketing, as there's potential to earn thousands, if not tens of thousands per month purely from being an affiliate marketer. Number 1, start your own YouTube channel. Lastly, we have YouTube as the best side hustle anyone can start with no money. Not only is YouTube a side hustle with the potential to earn thousands of dollars, but it's also a way to create a passive income stream. You don't need no fancy equipment or expensive camera to start your own channel. You can film your videos with your cell phone and use a free video editor to edit the video and put it all together. Rather it's daily vlogging, makeup tutorials, or tech reviews, there are hundreds of video ideas to choose from. You need to be fully committed to your channel. Posting a single video and hoping that it will become viral and make you thousands of dollars isn't realistic at all. Like they always say, slow and steady wins the race. You need to be consistent with your videos. And once you reach YouTube's partner program requirements, which consist of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, your channel will be eligible for monetization. Don't be discouraged if your channel doesn't get monetized right away. There are other means to make money from YouTube, such as affiliate marketing, releasing merch, getting sponsorships, or even getting a book deal. When it comes to YouTube, there are endless ways you can make money off of it. Realistically, you can earn anywhere between 10 to 30 cents per view, depending on the advertiser, and 2,000 up to 40,000 per million views. And that's a wrap for today's video. Before you leave, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, and click on that notification bell to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.